Hey everyone, Mr. Porky7 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you part 2 of my MLP drawings, and also I'm featuring my sister. Say hello to everyone.
Hello guys.
And to top it all off, the drawings that you've seen in my first video is some of the drawings that I've done, but now is way more drawings that I've done in my last video. It's like way more. You've seen them, right?
Yeah.
There's so many drawings, and to do it better, instead of showing you my drawings from this binder I have here, we're gonna lay out all the drawings and you guys are gonna see all the drawings at the same time. So you ready?
Yeah.
Let's show them all the drawings that I've done so far. Alright everyone, we finally finished laying them all out. How long do you think it take to do this?
Like 30 or 15 minutes.
I think so. It didn't take that long. But anyways, here's all the drawings. There's just so many. I would say this is like what, 6 to 7 months of work. It's just so many. It's so many drawings. Which one of the drawings you think you like the most here?
This one right here.
A drawing of Cloud. It's a crossover drawing of Final Fantasy with MLP.
I like it because I use Cloud in Smash 4. So yeah, it's like we're liking.
Here you got a drawing of Scootaloo, you got Fluttershy, you got Queen Novo, you got the new outfit version of Rainbow Dash here, of human form. You got Twilight here, you got my OC there, the pony and human version. You got Spitfire, you got Snowdrop, you got Fluttershy saying yay, you got Rainbow Powered Fluttershy, Princess Celeste here, you got DJ Pony, you got Applejack and Pinkie Pie, a desert background with Rainbow Dash in it, Rainbow Dash, Rainbow Powered, Starlight saying hi. It's just so many. And there's still more over here. You got Audio Blaze here, you got Starlight Glimmer, you got a New Year's Eve drawing of Pinkie Pie there. And then you got Rainbow Dash here, you got Timber and Gloriosa, you got Starlight Glimmer here. It's just so, oh no, this was being covered. There's a drawing of Twilight Sparkle, Princess Skyster here, Queen Chrysalis there, Apple Fritter, another Queen Chrysalis drawing. Just so many drawings, and I still plan on doing more. What do you think is your second favorite drawing out of all these?
Oh, that is that one over there.
Which one?
The one that has like a big.
Oh, the drawing of Cranky.
Yeah. His tail is like the attention because it's puffy and his face is like so droopy.
And then you got Maniac here. You got Rara there. You got Rarity. You got Daisy Dreams, Feather Maid, Rainbow Blitz there, Pink Amina, Sunburst. Oh, and here's the other drawings in the sketchbook. It's falling apart. Sorry about that, guys. It's a really old sketchbook. But if you guys want to see these drawings, you can check out my part 1 of my MLP drawings. And here's a board drawing of Sunset Shimmer that I also done a video on. You guys can check it out if you're interested to see how I drew it. You got Nightmare Moon here. You got a Kuroko no Basket crossover drawing of Starlight Glimmer here. If you guys don't know what Kuroko no Basket is, it's one of my all-time favorite animes.
And also mine because I love basketball.
You love basketball, huh?
Yep.
You got Lotus and Aloe here. You got a drawing of 15 ponies here. You got Applejack here, Diamond Rose here, Cheerly, Daybreaker, Songbird Serenade, Apple Bloom, and there's more over there. You got Rainbow Dash, Fluttershy, Derpy, Mistmane.
Forgot about Fluffle.
Oh yeah, and there's Flufflepuff right there.
My third favorite.
And Pinkie Pie over there in the corner too.
And this.
Oh yeah, you got Featherweight, Pipsqueak, and Truffle there, and then you got Shining Armor, and those are the only 2 drawings in that sketchbook for now. And also, guys, don't forget, if you guys have the MLP Gameloft game, there's my code there. Yeah, there's just so many drawings. and I still plan on doing more. Trust me, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep making more and more drawings for you guys because I know you guys love the type of art that I do. I guess especially because of the style I have.
And please comment your favorite character.
Yeah, let us know in the comments of what drawing that you've seen in this video that you guys like the most.
And please shout out this video, please, and get people to watch this. Your family members, your friends.
If you guys know anybody that would be interested in liking my drawings as well, don't forget to share this video. Again, leave your comments and let us know what drawing you like the most out of all these.
And your favorite one.
And don't forget to like it as well if you enjoy this. Oh, and also hit the notification bell so you guys know when I upload videos. But yeah, then again, hope you guys like and enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
And don't forget.
Oh yeah, and one more thing before we close this video is subscribe for more. This is the last drawing we were saving for last. I'm pretty sure you guys already know.
You guys, you gotta do it for Derpy. I mean, she gives you a muffin, and I will give you one too. Not really good. Okay, yeah.
But yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you all in my next video.